Oh, lovely day to be out and about.
Good day to read a book.
Yeah.
Top. Let's just put my can in my trusty can holder.
Hey, that's not fair. I've got nowhere to put mine. Can I?
Nope.
Guess I can just balance it there. You know what? I'm sick of this chair and its lack of cup holders. I'm gonna solve this problem once and for all. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Radio.
What's up, guys? If I had $1 for every time I've complained about my poor old camping chair not having cup holders, I'd probably have enough money to buy myself a chair with cup holders. So today, we're finally getting around to solving that problem. Now, I'm going to be taking my inspiration from a project I worked on a couple of years ago, where I built some PVC cup holders for my old Pajero. So with that in mind, let's head down to Bunnings and buy the parts we need. All right, we're back with all the parts we need. Cost me about $20 in total to buy everything we need to make these cup holders. And the basic plan of attack is going to be to use this 90mm PVC pipe as the main structure of the cup holder, probably cutting a piece about 8 or 9 centimeters or so tall. This is the perfect diameter to fit pretty much any drink you want. So a stubby holder fits nice and snugly inside, which is an absolute must, so that's good. And to attach the cup holder to the chair, I've bought this 25mm PVC pipe. And so what I'll do here is cut myself a small piece, maybe 3 or 4 centimeters in size, cut a track down the side, and then rivet that to the cup holder. That way, if all goes to plan, it should easily snap onto the leg of the chair, but also be removable as well. Now, to stop my drink coming out the bottom of the cup holder, I was quite excited to find these. These are plastic downpipe covers. And what's awesome about these, other than the fact they are designed to perfectly fit inside 90mm pipe, but they've also got holes in the bottom to act as a bit of a drainage system. Anyway, that's all the pieces we'll be using. Let's get these pieces cut down to size and get it all put together. There we go, the basically complete brand new cup holder for the chair. The only other thing I'll probably do is just give it a coat of black paint to make it look a little bit more professional than it's currently looking, with its PVC pipe writing still on there. So yeah, a bit of a DIY project, but I'm really happy with the result. How it basically works is this small section of PVC on the side has that small slit cut out of it, and that enables it to clip pretty much anywhere on the frame of this chair. So I've designed mine to sit in this section just here. So we just push it over the frame. Once it's on there, it's sitting nice and firmly in place. I've cut a slit out of the side to allow my coffee cup handle to fit in there perfectly. So I can just chuck it in like so and enjoy my coffee out camping. It's also been designed so it's the right size to fit a can in a standard stubby holder. So that fits in there like a glove. So I'm absolutely stoked with that. That's going to revolutionize my camping experience. The only modification I did have to make to the frame of the chair itself was just adding a small screw in up the side of the chair here. And that was just to stop the cup holder from continuing to spin around the frame. That way kind of sits in place, but then it can't spin past that point to keep your beverage nice and level. Also, when I attached the bottom to the cup holder, I was originally just going to glue it. I kind of decided, you know what, let's whack some rivets in there as well, because the last thing I want is to pop my can of drink and just lose it straight out the bottom of the cup holder. So now 4 rivets around the side plus glue, that bottom isn't going anywhere. Bianca, you are gonna absolutely love my latest invention. Never gonna have to borrow your cup holder ever again. Check it out. Check it out. So all we do, clip it onto the frame of the chair like so. We have a perfectly good cup holder. Oh, fits like a glove.
Amazing.
Oh, now back to enjoying this day, I reckon.
Well, I've enjoyed the day. Finished my book. Time to go home.
What do you mean?
I mean, I finished my book and it's time to go home.
We literally just got here.
No, you literally just got here. I've had a lovely day.
Well guys, that's how you make a DIY cup holder that can attach to pretty much any camping chair. Oh, well, it's ruined my afternoon a little bit, but hopefully you guys found that interesting. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Are we really going?
Yep.
Just one more thing before I go, guys. So since making this cup holder a couple of weeks ago for the video, I have made one slight alteration, and that was to add this layer of insulation at the top of the cup holder there. And that was just done using this adhesive backed insulation tape, or rubber matting you might call it. I think I got this one from eBay, I forget, but most places like Bunnings sell something similar. And the main reason I added that to the cup holder was number one, so that things fit a little bit more snugly inside. So I found before the tube was so wide that, I don't know, my cans were like bouncing around a little bit, so I just wanted to reduce that diameter a little bit. But the second and probably more important reason was that when I added this bottom piece, because it slots inside the tube, it sort of created this a bit of a ridge inside the bottom of the cup holder there that wasn't a massive problem, but every now and then when I was sliding a stubby holder in, it would get a bit hung up on that lip. Whereas now with the insulation tape on the top section, your beverage slides in first time, every time. Anyway, just wanted to share that small update with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.